yet, not yet. Yes. Wow.
Oh, sweet. There's doors in front of
Wow. What brand is this? Does it stop on its own?
No. That's as far as we go. Wow, look at this thing. Overhead traction.
No, that's just, it's bottom.
What?
Yeah, those are just,
that's the wheel. I see. Look, wood guide rails. Yep.
Wow. Hold on.
It's all like shaved down.
Let's wait a minute just to, because I want to take a look around this. Who makes this?
This will probably notice. Here, let me see the buttons. I can see
Any sort of logo on there? GAL limit switches. Oh look, that used to be for something.
Alright, let's go back to it. Watch out your backpack.
Oh, thanks.
Here we go. Let's stop it here.
What?
Let's stop it here.
Why?
Because we're gonna go back down to the opening.
Can I drive?
Yeah, one more time.
What up? Can I drive on the way down?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Look at this. I've never seen like a thing like this before. Dude, this thing is ancient. Dude, I think, what if this used to be a pull the rope?
It probably was.
Cause look, and look right
Look
there.
right there. Yeah, it was, because there's a spot for it up there.
Yeah, and then look, this was added on. See, this is where the rope was.
Right, see?
I'm gonna see.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, and there was one on this side too. Look, you can actually see when it's like the plate here.
Oh my god.
Okay, Sam, you can. I would just take it back to 2.
Okay. Wow, this thing is so cool. Inner doorless too.